point of view, let's get you another breaking update. What we are learning amid the raging tensions in West Asia, Foreign Secretary is expected to visit Washington, D.C. We're talking about Mr. Vikram Misri. He is now expected to visit the United States of America from the 8th till the 10th of April. It is now been said. So that means tomorrow onwards. And this is according to the Ministry of External Affairs. What is being said that this visit will provide an opportunity to review the full spectrum of the India-US bilateral relations and advance ongoing cooperation across key areas. Now, during the visit, the Foreign Secretary is also expected to hold discussions with senior officials of the United States and the administration on a wide range of issues, including trade, defense, science and technology. Let's get connected with Rishabh on this. Rishabh, this is also coming at a time when Ambassador Sergio Gore was back in the United States. That time too, he had mentioned that President Trump values his friendship with India. And now we are looking at the Foreign Secretary who is expected to travel to Washington, D.C.
Well, Amita, what we're given to understand that Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri would be in United States, and this will be a visit that will see the Foreign Office consultation between India and US. This Foreign Office consultation comes at a time when the world right now is amid energy crisis, and the reason behind that crisis is US-Israel war on Iran and the way things are unfolding for last 39 days. Vikram Misri, India's senior most diplomat, would be in Washington. He would be meeting his counterpart as well as concluding the Foreign Office consultation. Remember, Foreign Office consultation between the two countries is one of the highest level of interaction when it comes to the foreign policies of the two countries. Now, it will be interesting to see, because this Foreign Office consultation comes at a time when the deadline that Donald Trump has given to
So
Iran.
this is going to overlap at the same time, because tomorrow is the day when we are expecting, as far as this meeting that's going to happen with the US officials. That also includes global development, and mutual interest is something that is going to be taken up from both sides as far as India and America is concerned. Thanks, Rishabh, for that update. In the meantime, let's talk about when it comes